Sharks are ancient and successful predators that have patrolled the oceans for over 400 million years. These remarkable creatures have survived multiple mass extinctions and continue to thrive in marine ecosystems worldwide. Their physical characteristics include cartilaginous skeletons, which are lighter and more flexible than bone. Their streamlined bodies are perfectly adapted for efficient movement through water. They possess diverse teeth adapted for different feeding habits. Serrated teeth for tearing flesh, small teeth for filtering plankton. They have highly developed sensory systems, including the lateral line for detecting vibrations. Ampullae of Lorenzini detect electrical fields from other organisms. They possess an extraordinary sense of smell, capable of detecting blood from miles away. From the sunlit surface to the crushing abyss, the world's oceans are home to over 500 species of sharks, each a masterpiece of evolution. Their diversity in size, shape, and strategy is nothing short of remarkable, challenging our very definition of what a shark is. When we think of shark, one image often dominates: the great white. As an apex predator, it sits at the pinnacle of many marine food webs. But its power isn't just about size. The great white is partially warm-blooded, a rare trait that fuels explosive bursts of speed, powering spectacular aerial breaches as it ambushes seals from below. This athleticism solidifies its reign as a crucial regulator of ocean ecosystems. Yet the title of the ocean's largest fish belongs not to a fearsome predator, but to a gentle giant, the whale shark. Reaching lengths of over 60 feet, it glides serenely through tropical waters. Its cavernous mouth, opening over 4 feet wide, is a living filter. It gulps thousands of gallons of water, sieving out tiny plankton and krill. Despite its size, much of its life remains a mystery, and this peaceful giant is now endangered. Evolution has also sculpted some truly bizarre forms, none more iconic than the hammerhead. Their most striking feature is the cephalofoil, that distinctive flattened head. This is no mere curiosity, it's a highly advanced sensory array. The wide-set eyes provide superior binocular vision, while the expanded surface is packed with thousands of electroreceptors. By sweeping its head like a metal detector, the hammerhead can detect the faint electrical fields of prey buried in the sand. If the hammerhead is a specialist, the tiger shark is the ultimate generalist. Named for the dark stripes on its body, this powerful predator is renowned for its incredibly broad diet. Its powerful jaws and serrated teeth can shear through the tough shells of sea turtles, but its stomach contents have revealed everything from seabirds to license plates, earning it the nickname wastebasket of the sea. This adaptability allows it to thrive in a wide range of environments. From the warm tropics we journey to the frigid dark depths of the North Atlantic, home to a true Methuselah, the Greenland shark. This is a creature that lives life in the extreme slow lane. In these near-freezing waters, its metabolism is incredibly slow, allowing it to become the longest-living vertebrate known to science, with lifespans exceeding 400 years. In the perpetual darkness, it relies on a powerful sense of smell to locate carcasses on the ocean floor. The diversity of hunting techniques is just as varied. Meet the thresher shark, a predator that has turned its own tail into a weapon. Its enormously elongated upper tail fin can be as long as its body. When hunting, it uses a powerful whip-like motion to slap the water, creating a shockwave that stuns its prey. This unique hunting style is a stunning example of specialized evolution. Sharks play crucial ecological roles as apex and mesopredators in marine ecosystems. They are essential for maintaining the delicate balance of ocean life. Their presence ensures healthy fish populations and thriving coral reef ecosystems. Without sharks, marine ecosystems can collapse, leading to devastating consequences for ocean health. Shark behaviors vary dramatically, from sedentary bottom dwellers to highly migratory species. Their reproductive strategies are equally diverse, including both egg-laying and live birth methods. Some species lay eggs in protective cases, while others give birth to live young that are immediately independent. Many species use specific nursery areas to protect their young. Our relationship with sharks is a story of profound transformation. For millennia in coastal communities across the globe, sharks were not monsters but gods and guardians. In Hawaiian culture, the Aumakua were revered family deities that could manifest as sharks, offering protection. Indigenous Australians depicted them in ancient rock art as powerful creator spirits. understanding their vital place in the ocean's tapestry. But this reverence was shattered in the 20th century. The 1975 film Jaws fundamentally rewired our collective psyche, birthing the monster shark trope and painting these complex animals as vengeful, mindless man-eaters. This narrative was amplified by decades of sensationalized media, creating a culture of fear that persists today. The Jaws effect sparked trophy hunting and a public perception that the only good shark was a dead one, a caricature that couldn't be further from the truth. When we strip away the fiction, the statistics tell a different story. Fatal, unprovoked shark attacks on humans are extraordinarily rare, with fewer than 10 deaths worldwide each year. You are statistically more likely to be killed by a lightning strike. The vast majority of incidents are not predatory attacks but cases of mistaken identity, where a surfer is mistaken for a seal. A quick investigatory bite is usually all it takes for the shark to realize its mistake and move on. In fact, for the growing number of people who seek them out through responsible ecotourism, encounters are overwhelmingly peaceful. Divers and marine biologists describe not fear, but a profound sense of respect and wonder. They observe complex social behaviors, cautious curiosity, and a serene power that commands reverence. Seeing a great hammerhead navigate a reef or a whale shark glide through the open ocean is to witness a master of its environment, perfectly honed by millions of years of evolution. These moments replace fear with fascination. This peaceful reality stands in brutal contrast to our impact on them. While sharks kill a handful of humans per year, often by accident, human activity is responsible for the slaughter of an estimated 100 million sharks annually. This staggering number is driven by a trifecta of threats. The most infamous is finning, the barbaric practice of hacking off a shark's fins for soup and discarding the animal to die. Equally devastating is industrial overfishing and bycatch, where millions of sharks are unintentionally caught and killed in nets and on long lines. The sheer industrial scale of this slaughter is pushing shark populations toward collapse. Unlike fish that produce thousands of eggs, most sharks are slow to grow, mature late, and give birth to only a few young. This life strategy makes them exceptionally vulnerable to modern fishing pressure. They simply cannot reproduce fast enough to withstand this onslaught. As a result, many species like the oceanic whitetip are now critically endangered. The predator has become the prey, and this human-caused devastation is entirely unsustainable. Over a third of shark species are now threatened or endangered, facing significant conservation challenges. Conservation measures include creating marine protected areas where sharks can recover. International efforts to ban shark finning are gaining momentum worldwide. International agreements like CITES help regulate shark trade and protection. Scientific research and monitoring programs provide crucial data for conservation efforts. Local communities are becoming partners in shark conservation initiatives. The mission to protect sharks requires a unified global commitment. At the governmental level, this means creating and enforcing meaningful legislation. Nations must expand the network of marine protected areas, creating vast sanctuaries where sharks can breed and live without the threat of fishing gear. International cooperation is paramount, strengthening agreements to regulate the trade of shark products and implementing complete bans on the cruel and wasteful practice of shark finning. Alongside governments, non-governmental organizations and research institutions form the front line. They are in the water, tagging and tracking sharks to unlock the secrets of their migration. They are on the ground, educating communities about the economic and ecological benefits of living sharks. Their tireless advocacy and scientific research provide the critical data that informs policy and shifts public perception from fear to fascination. But this global effort is incomplete without the power of the individual. Each of us holds a piece of the solution. It begins with our daily choices. When we shop for seafood, we can use consumer guides to select sustainably sourced options, ensuring our purchase doesn't contribute to bycatch. We can actively reduce our plastic footprint, as pollution chokes our oceans and harms all marine life. We can choose to support responsible ecotourism, where our presence contributes directly to conservation and provides local communities with a powerful incentive to protect their marine ecosystems. By sharing knowledge, signing petitions, and supporting conservation organizations, our individual voices combine into a powerful chorus demanding change. Your actions, no matter how small they seem, ripple outwards. The future of these magnificent creatures depends on our immediate action, because these vital creatures are essential for the health of our oceans. They are the architects of marine biodiversity. Without them, a trophic cascade would unravel entire ecosystems. Mid-level predators would multiply, decimating herbivore populations. Without herbivores to graze on algae, coral reefs would be smothered, turning vibrant underwater cities into barren wastelands. But there is hope. Every shark saved is a victory for marine ecosystem balance, and we have seen proof that our efforts work. In places like Palau and the Bahamas, where strong protections were enacted, shark populations have made remarkable comebacks. These thriving shark sanctuaries are not just good for sharks, they are beacons of a healthy, resilient ocean, demonstrating that when we give nature a chance, it can recover. Together we can ensure that sharks continue to patrol our oceans for millions of years to come. Let us envision a future where our relationship with the ocean is one of stewardship, not exploitation. A future where technology is used to monitor and protect, not to hunt and destroy. The ocean's ancient guardians need our protection now more than ever. Their survival is our legacy. Their future is in our hands.